Hi guys, welcome to Salemfashion YouTube channel. My name is Salem David. So the reason for this video is just to appreciate you guys for always coming to my channel. So as you all know, or if you don't know, this is a fashion channel. I post fashion videos and tutorials every week on this channel. So compliments of the season, guys. It is January. I just thought to come here and just come and appreciate you guys for just engaging on my videos, just liking, commenting, asking questions, and taking out your time to watch videos and tutorials on this channel. It gives me the motivation to just continue filming videos. Okay, it gives me so much joy to see that people are coming to benefit from this channel. I mean, I started last year with so much effort, and I hoped to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of December, and you guys made that a reality. Okay, every single one of you are the reason we made it to 1,000 subscribers and more. Okay, so 2025 we go bigger, guys. We can make it up to 10K. In fact, we can even go beyond 10K. There is nothing impossible to those who believe. Okay, so I believe that this year is going to be greater than last year. This year we're going to go bigger. I'm going to be bringing you guys um videos that you're going to love. January contents are already ready. Okay, every week I'll be posting them on this channel. First video of the year is gonna drop tomorrow. Okay, so do well to engage and watch. So one of the ways you can support the channel is to just always like the videos, share the videos, comment, and also watch till the end. Okay, this is gonna help me get recommended more and just help me get that push out there that would take us further. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. On Facebook, it is still Salem Fashion. On Instagram, it is _Salem Fashion. And on TikTok, it is Salem Fashion. Okay, so do well to check out my social media handles and just give me a follow there. I would totally appreciate it. Thank you all so much. I will see you all in class. Bye. Lord, I'm